I'm Stephanie with WTI, and I'm on my feet a lot. That's why Aoliks compression socks have been such a game changer for me. As you see, these compression socks are not only cute, they actually go up your legs really easily. So once I get them on my feet, I can just go ahead and pull them up, and they have just the right measure of compression that I need to keep my legs feeling rejuvenated. And especially for my job where I'm feeling like I'm on my feet all day, I get a little tired. This adds a pop of color, but also the support I need. And you see, these are just a few of the designs I have, so I can have different ones to match different outfits, which is really a lot of fun. Also, the stretch is perfect because I have larger calves too, but these aren't so narrow that they can't go up my curvy legs. And then they're still thin enough to where they're underneath your pants and you don't even notice them. But mostly I just love that they're fun and that they do their job. Definitely when I wear them and when I don't wear them, I see a big difference. So do something nice for your legs and feet today. Go ahead and get your mini pairs of Aoliks compression sleeves. But that's my point of view.